Data entry work has become increasingly popular as a way to earn money online due to the rise of digitalization and remote work opportunities. In 2024, there will be plenty of data entry websites available for individuals looking to make a living from home. Here are the top 18 data entry websites for making money online in 2024, along with a step-by-step guide on how they work. 1. Amazon Mechanical Turk, MTurk. This platform allows users to complete small tasks, including data entry, for a fee. 2. ClickWorker. Users can complete various tasks, including data entry, and earn money based on the complexity and time spent on each task. 3. DionData. This platform offers data entry jobs in various fields, including healthcare, finance, and legal. 4. QuickTate. Users can transcribe audio files into text and earn money based on the length and complexity of the file. 5. SmartCrowd. This platform offers a variety of data entry tasks, including data verification and categorization. 6. Lionbridge. Users can complete various tasks, including data entry and content moderation, for a fee. 7. Appen. This platform offers data entry jobs in various fields, including language translation and image classification. 8. LeapForce. Users can complete search engine evaluation tasks, which involve evaluating search engine results for relevance and accuracy. 9. Gengo. This platform offers translation and data entry jobs in various languages. 10. Towel. Users can complete various tasks, including data entry and content moderation, for a fee. 11. Capital Typing. This platform offers typing and transcription jobs for a fee based on the speed and accuracy of the user's work. 12. Accutran Global. Users can transcribe audio files into text and earn money based on the length and complexity of the file. 13. Working Solutions. This platform offers customer service and data entry jobs for a fee based on the complexity of the task. 14. Task Bullet. Users can complete various tasks, including data entry and content moderation, for a fee based on the complexity of the task. 15. Microworkers. This platform offers various tasks, including data entry and content moderation, for a fee based on the complexity of the task. 16. Fancy Hands. Users can complete various tasks, including data entry and research, for a fee based on the complexity of the task. 17. Belay. This platform offers virtual assistant jobs that include data entry tasks for a fee based on the complexity of the task. 18. TranscribeMe. Users can transcribe audio files into text and earn money based on the length and complexity of the file. To get started with these platforms, 1. Create an account and provide your personal information as required by each platform's registration process. 2. Complete any necessary training or qualification tests to demonstrate your skills in data entry or related tasks. 3. Browse available job opportunities on each platform's job board or dashboard. Select the ones that fit your skills and preferences and apply for them by submitting your bid or proposal, if required. 4. Complete each task accurately and efficiently to earn money or rewards as specified by each platform's payment system or policy, either per task or per hour. 5. Monitor your earnings, feedback ratings, and job history regularly to improve your performance and reputation over time. Remember that some platforms may have specific requirements or restrictions regarding payment methods, minimum payout thresholds, or geographic availability, so it's essential to read their terms of service carefully before signing up or working with them regularly.